Hey sleepers, I'm Zach, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Essentia Tatami Hybrid Mattress. Essentia offers latex mattresses made from natural and organic materials, and the Tatami Hybrid is a sole hybrid offering. How does it stack up? Let's put it to the test and find out. If you like what we're doing and find any of our videos helpful, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you sign up for our newsletter, you'll be automatically entered into our monthly giveaway. Check the card above my shoulder for more information. All right, this mattress review, we brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Tess, average weight sleeper Nicholas, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Essentia Tatami Hybrid Mattress is easy, though we recommend having help on hand. While the mattress is compressed and in a box, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap the plastic, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 12 to 24 hours. The Essentia Tatami Hybrid is a 10.5-inch hybrid mattress. The removable cover is made from organic cotton and Kevlar. The comfort layer is 1.5 inches of natural memory foam, over 1/2 inch of natural latex foam. The support core is 8 inches of recycled steel coils with a 1/2 inch cotton padding base. The Essentia Tatami comes in one firmness option, a 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The natural memory foam is dense, so it feels pretty firm upon first touch. But as you rest upon this mattress, the foam warms and softens, and you will sink into it. The memory foam is very conforming and it will hug your body's contours. Despite the conforming comfort layers, the Tatami Hybrid is a very responsive mattress. The 8 inches of recycled steel coils and the 1/2 inch of latex gives the bed that quick bounce back. The natural memory foam also seems to bounce back faster than other dense memory foams, providing less of that stuck feeling traditional memory foam is known for. With only 1.5 inches of memory foam, most sleepers will sink down to the latex and coils and feel like they're sleeping on this mattress as opposed to sleeping in it. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. With a zoned pocketed coil system and a highly conforming comfort layer, the Tatami Hybrid keeps sleepers' midsections propped up while allowing shoulders and hips to sink down more. This makes for a solid support across all sleeper weights. You can see that all of our sleeper spines are well aligned and our average weight sleeper received exceptional support. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is especially important for couples or co-sleepers who seek to minimize nighttime disturbances. One way we assess this is by placing a glass of water on one end of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper move around on the opposite side to show the motion transferred to the glass. As you can see, there's a little movement with the glass in the water as Jerica shifts around on the other side. We felt some motion too whenever we had a second person on the mattress tossing and turning. As we mentioned, this is a responsive bed due to the coils and latex. That said, the 1.5 inches of memory foam did absorb some motion, preventing it from being too disruptive for any of our sleepers. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support may be harder to get in and out of or leave sleepers feeling as though they may fall off or roll off the bed. Hybrid beds are known for having good edge support, and the Tatami Hybrid is no different. You'll see there is some sinkage while sitting along the edge of the bed and even some while lying close to the edge, but the comfort layers are only 2 inches thick, so after that initial sink, you will be immediately propped up by the 8 inches of recycled steel coils. We felt secure sitting on and lying close to the edge of this bed and never felt like we were going to roll off. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well a mattress relieved pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red. indicating increased amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Tatami Hybrid offers adequate pressure relief across all sleeper types and weights. The natural memory foam conforms very well to all the contours of the body, and the zone coil support system compressed where the body needed it most. As you can see, the readings for all of our sleepers are pretty solid across all sleep positions. Due to the thinner comfort layers, we found the mattress offered the best support for a lightweight sleeper. Our average weight sleepers may have benefited from a thicker comfort layer, as we saw some pressure on the shoulders when on its side. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, preventing it from warming up. Though this bed features memory foam in the comfort layer, which is known to trap heat, we found that the Tatami Hybrid stayed fairly cool throughout the night. With only 1.5 inches of memory foam, there's not enough to sink into the mattress too deep, and the 8 inches of coils allow for a lot of airflow to keep the foam and mattress at a cool, even temperature. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Jerica, what did you think of the Essentia Tatami?
I loved it.
Really?
It's really nice. It was so responsive. It has so much bounce and it just holds really well while you're sleeping.
Well, I thought it was a great bed, one that you could get a great night's sleep from. Nice and firm, definitely feel snug and locked in when you're in the bed.
I love it. I think it's really nice and springy, but still soft, and it's got like firm support, but a soft top.
What about temperature? Did this mattress feel like it heated up or stayed neutral or was cool?
Yes, they're pretty cool. I enjoyed that part about it. I didn't warm up at all.
What about motion in this bed? It's got a lot of springs. Did that transfer motion when people were getting in or out of the bed?
I didn't feel anything. I didn't feel anyone getting in and out of the bed, not really much with the movement. And when we did the water test, that was actually really stable as well, so I like that.
A little bit about this mattress. Its construction has sustainability first and foremost. The springs are recycled steel, natural memory foam, organic cotton on the top sheet. Does this affect the way that you interpret this mattress, its quality?
It really does. Sustainability and recycled materials, they're really important to me as a consumer. And I think with all the product that we have in the world that can be recycled, I think there's no reason why we shouldn't be using it. So I'm really stoked that this is so environmentally friendly.
And comfortable too.
And comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty winning combination right there.
Well, thank you so much. Now let's take a look at how the Essentia Tatami Hybrid stacked up in our mattress tests. We rated support as very good for lightweight sleepers, excellent for average weight sleepers, and very good for heavyweight sleepers. Pressure relief was very good for all sleeper weights, motion isolation was good, and edge support was very good. Lastly, temperature neutrality was very good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The Tatami Hybrid is a responsive mattress. If you enjoy the feeling of that deep sink associated with memory foam beds, this may not be for you. While there is 1.5 inches of conforming memory foam, most sleepers will sink through that and meet the thin latex and coil support system that feel more like they're floating on top of this mattress as opposed to sleeping in it. Additionally, the Tatami Hybrid comes in only one firmness option. So if your firmness preferences vary, or you know you fancy a softer or firmer bed, you may want to consider other options. At 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, some lightweight sleepers may find the Tatami Hybrid is too firm. Many lightweight sleepers, and especially lightweight side sleepers, often prefer a softer, more conforming mattress to give them the best support and pressure relief. The Tatami Hybrid touts a natural and organic construction, but those materials come at a higher price tag. Sleepers on a budget may want to explore other options. So, who is the Essentia Tatami Hybrid good for? We recommend this mattress for average and heavyweight sleepers. The combination of memory foam and latex for comfort over a zone pocketed coil support core provides a nice balance of support and pressure relief for average and heavyweight sleepers. With a thinner but highly conforming comfort layer, these sleepers should find relaxation in any position. Back sleepers of all weights will especially enjoy the Essentia Tatami Hybrid. The thinner memory foam comfort layer over the substantial coil support core is great for back sleepers. It allows the hips to sink in, but not too much, providing great alignment and support for the lower back. Warm sleepers will appreciate the Tatami Hybrid's ability to stay cool. 8 inches of pocketed coils allow ample airflow throughout the mattress. Add to the fact that you sleep on and not in this mattress, and you have a recipe for a cool night's sleep. Eco-conscious shoppers will value the construction of this mattress. Essentia prides himself on using sustainably sourced materials. The Tatami Hybrid features recycled steel coils, natural latex, organic cotton in the mattress base and cover, and natural memory foams, all of which are better for the earth and you, the consumer. Before purchasing the Essentia Tatami Hybrid Mattress, here's some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 120-night sleep trial, free shipping, and a 20-year warranty. For the lowest prices available, check the description below. That's it for our Essentia Tatami Hybrid Mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, sleep well.